Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to install Docker on Ubuntu 22.04 and 24.04 using Snap. Docker is a popular containerization platform that allows you to run applications in isolated environments, making it a great tool for developers and sysadmins alike. And with Snap, the installation process is easier than ever. So, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Ubuntu 22.04 or 24.04 installed on your machine. Also, ensure that your system is up to date by running the following command in your terminal. Ubuntu 24.04, like 22.04, comes with Snap pre-installed. Therefore, we only need to execute the provided command to install Docker in an isolated environment. But if you are running a VPS machine with no GUI, you might get this error: you need to install Snap. Snap is now installed. Let us now try to install Docker. Docker will be installed and configured automatically. Snap will download and install Docker in an isolated environment, ensuring that it won't interfere with other software on your system. We now need to create a Docker group. Creating this group is a common step when setting up Docker on a system, as it allows managing Docker with group-level permissions. Users who are added to the Docker group can run Docker commands without needing to prepend them with sudo. I'm running as root myself, but for you, you need to create a new user with sudo privileges. Run this command to add the current user to the Docker group. When you add your user to the Docker group, it allows you to run Docker commands without needing to use sudo before each command. When you add a user to a group, such as the Docker group, the change doesn't take effect in the current session until you log out and log back in. This command allows you to apply this change immediately without needing to log out. Sometimes, even after running this command, the terminal doesn't immediately recognize the user added to the group. In such a case, log out and log in again. You must also disable and enable Snap's Docker service to apply your changes. Now, We can use Docker to create the necessary containers. If you're new to this, here's an example. In this example, we will download the Ubuntu Docker image and create a container using it. This command will create a new Docker container from the Ubuntu image without starting it immediately. This command will start the Docker container that we just created. After running this command, you can interact with the container using various Docker commands. This command provides a way to connect your terminal to a running Docker container, enabling direct interaction with the containerized application or shell process. You can interact with the container as if you were using a local shell session. If you encounter issues with Docker installed via Snap and need to uninstall it, use this command. And that's it. You've successfully installed Docker on Ubuntu 24.04 and 22.04 using Snap. It's that simple and quick. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos.